Mira and Shumon are best friends. They are talking in the playground. Shumon said, I had done the homework and started for the park. Mira said to Shumon, instead, you can say, having done the homework, I started for the park. Shumon feels that Mira has changed the sentence. Then Mira replied that yes, I have changed the compound sentence into a simple one. Shumon gets excited and wants to know more. Let's see what is waiting for Shumon. Here comes first what is simple sentence. Simple sentence should have one subject and one finite verb. What is finite verb? Finite verbs are those verbs that can be changed according to subject, number and tense. Next comes compound sentence. When two principal clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction, then it is called compound sentence. Then the question may arise, what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions that can join two words or sentences or clauses of equal rank. What are the examples of coordinating conjunction? To remember the example, I have made a trick for you. What is that? Fan boys. For, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. These are mostly used coordinating conjunction. So I made this trick. Other than some more coordinating conjunction are not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, etc. So next is rules of compound to simple sentence. Rule number 1, compound sentence with and both clauses have same subjects. See the example. I woke up and received the phone call. Here two principal clauses are joined with this conjunction and both the clauses have same subject, that is I. So if we want to convert it into simple, will be waking up, I received the phone call. What is the change I did here? I just make the verb of the first sentence into ing form and I omit the conjunction, use the comma, and the second sentence remain unchanged. So it becomes waking up, I received the phone call. If you see another example, it will be clear to you. I had forgotten him and went outside the cabin. Simple becomes having forgotten him, I went outside the cabin. Another example, the boy was tired and went to bed early. This verb will be converted into ing, that is being. It will be being tired, the boy went to bed early. So you see in these three sentences, whether it is main verb or be verb or have verb, it will be in ing form. Then this conjunction will be omitted and the second sentence will be unchanged. And we'll use the subject of the first sentence with the second one. Then the structure will be like this. I think it's clear to you. Here comes rule number 2. Compound sentence with and, but both the clauses have different subjects. Look, the sun had set and we went home. Here the conjunction and, but the subject of the first sentence is sun, and here in the second sentence subject is we. So they have different subjects. It is so easy. We will just convert this verb into ing form and omit this conjunction, nothing else. The sun having set, we went home. See another example. The sum was hard and I could not solve it. This verb will be in ing form. The sum being hard, I could not solve it. The structure is like this. Structure is nothing. What I have changed here, it is written. What did I change? I just changed this verb into ing form, omitted this conjunction, use a comma, and the second sentence remain unchanged. This is the structure. Next comes rule number 3. Compound sentence with and or so or and so or and therefore. But here is a condition. What is the condition? That means between the two sentences, one sentence will be the reason of another. How is that? Lima practiced dancing a lot and therefore she became a great dancer. You see in the sentence that Lima became a great dancer. Why? What is the reason? Because she practiced a lot. So, as it is reason, in doing simple sentence, we will use here because of. Because of her. This her comes from this subject, possessive form. Because of her practicing, this main verb is into ing form. Then the rest part of the sentence, dancing a lot. Then, and therefore. Instead of this conjunction, we use a comma. And the second sentence is, Lima became a great dancer. So, the difference from first rule is that as it is a reason, we use here because of. Another example, he is ill and he cannot move. We can use on account of. On account of his being ill, he cannot move. So because of or on account of, you can use any word. In the next sentence, you see, he studied hard and so he got a good figure in the exam. Because of studying hard. You notice that after because of, I have not used the possessive form. You can also do so. You can omit this possessive form as both the clauses have same subject. We can do this. So because of studying hard, he got a good figure in the exam. And his structure is like this. Rules number 4. Compound sentence with an. But here is a condition. What is that? That means one clause should have this word, at once. How is that? Aditi heard the interesting event and burst into laughing at once. So the second clause have at once. So doing simple, instead of at once, we'll use just after. Just after hearing the interesting event, Aditi burst into laughing. So you see, instead of at once, we use just after, and then we follow the rule number 1, that is make this verb into ing form and the second sentence remains unchanged. Another example, Arif heard about the accident and rushed to the spot at once. Instead of at once, we can also use immediately after. That is, immediately after hearing about the accident, Arif rushed to the spot. So you can use just after or immediately after as your choice. Rule number 5. Compound sentence with an, but second clause should have desire or want plus infinitive. Compound sentence written, the man ran fast and wanted to catch the train. Here you see want, then to, then main verb. That means want plus infinitive is here. So we do, the man ran fast in order to catch the train. Instead of wanted, this verb we use in order. So, dear students, I hope you understand the rule. If you understand this rule, you can do the vice versa also. That is simple to compound. In this case, take help of the Advanced Learner book. It will be beneficial for you. Here is some work for you. Do these sentences in your copy. Soon we will meet with the next rule. Till then, bye.